Join me in this short video to see how Analytic Solver makes cash investment optimization easy and flexible, all within Excel. This is just one of the ways Solver empowers smart, data-driven financial decisions. A company aims to strategically invest in short-term financial instruments to maximize returns while meeting monthly cash flow needs. With an initial investment amount and specific cash reserves required each month, the challenge lies in determining the optimal mix and timing of investments to achieve maximum interest. This type of model helps balance growth potential with liquidity, showcasing Solver's ability to optimize under real-world financial constraints. Here we model CD investments using integer constraints, allowing only whole CDs, which keeps the model realistic. Let's solve the model. Within seconds, we get an optimized solution for maximum interest while ensuring required cash reserves each month, tackling complex investment decisions and achieving strategic financial planning. Operating within Excel, Analytic Solver makes data handling, real-time updates, and sharing results seamless. Its user-friendly interface allows you to work within a single platform, simplifying setup and accelerating results. Beyond optimizing, Solver enables clear communication of outcomes, sharing insights easily across teams. This example is just a glimpse of what Solver can accomplish, your trusted tool for optimized, data-driven decisions. Join a free webinar to explore Solver's full potential and gain hands-on experience. Start using Solver today to experience its impact firsthand.